Teacher's Office. I'm Esmeralda, and I love to talk to boys and girls about having a healthy smile.
And I'm Pixie, and I love to see all those nice, healthy smiles.
And I'm Fidget, and I'm real fidgety. My name's Violet, and I love purple. I even have purple on my braces.
Ooh, boys and girls, we want to talk about a lot of things about teeth today. So is everybody ready? Everybody have their listening ears on? Good, okay. Let me ask a question. Boys and girls, how many of you brushed your teeth this morning? Wow, we did too. That's really, really important. Let me ask another question. How many of you brush every night before you go to bed? Oh, that's great. Boys and girls, do you know that by brushing every morning and every night, you can have a healthy smile? And that's really, really important. If we don't brush our teeth before we come to school, guess what? We might have stinky breath, right? Who wants stinky breath? And our teeth won't be clean all day. And if we don't brush our teeth at night before we go to bed, all that stuff that we eat all day long, even the good food, the food that's good for us, and extra things that we eat like sugary treats during the day, they will sit on our teeth all night long. And what might happen? We might get a cavity, because if we don't brush our teeth really, really well, everything that we eat sits on our teeth and it forms a white sticky stuff called plaque. And plaque is yucky, isn't it? Some people even call plaque sugar bugs, don't they? So it's really, really important to do that. Boys and girls, do you know by taking good care of your teeth that it actually keeps your whole body healthy? Everything you put in your mouth affects the health of your body. When we eat good, healthy things, it makes our tummy feel good, doesn't it? And we say, wow, I like that, but it helps give us vitamins and it helps us grow. If we eat a lot of bad things, that's going to make us not feel good. We might feel actually sick if we ate all sugary stuff all day long, right? So we want to eat healthy things that make you feel good and are good for your teeth, because when we chew healthy things like apples, carrots, celery, good things like that, it actually massages our gums and makes our gums healthy, and it keeps our mouth cleaner longer by chewing on things like that.
Do you guys know what a healthy snack is? I bet a couple of you guys have a healthy snack, right? What's your healthy snack?
I like strawberries.
Strawberries is good. I like those too. What about you?
I
Miss
like
Kay?
apples.
Apples, that's good too. What about you?
I like carrots.
Carrots. Carrots is good too.
Apples, carrots, celery, broccoli, peaches, watermelon, all kind of stuff like that. Really, really good for you. You know another thing we should talk about, Pixie? Sweet treats. Who likes sweet treats? We all do, don't we?
Like sweet treats.
We all love sweet treats, but you know what? We talked about brushing every morning and every night. You know an extra time during the day that we should brush, boys and girls? That's after we have a sweet treat. Boys and girls, the dentist is our friend, and we need to go see the dentist twice a year. Very good, to help keep our teeth healthy and shiny. And you know what? Let's do some more pretending. You want to do it, Bugs? Yes, he does. Bugs wants to pretend that he's going to the dentist, and we're going to have Miss Pixie put on a mask and pretend to be the dentist.
And see, this is not scary. These people put on the mask because there's all kind of sprays when they're polishing your teeth, so they want to make sure that they're all covered.
She's going to put a mask on
I
her
put one
ears.
around this ear, and I put, yes, I do, and I put one around this ear.
That's right, boys and
No,
girls.
that's
when we
not
wear a
scary,
mask,
is it?
No, it's not scary at all.
No.
Boys and girls, when we wear a mask, it helps keep Miss Pixie, or Dr. Pixie as we're going to call her, healthy, and it helps keep you healthy too. So let's put on Bug's little bib that
And
they
then
put
when
on
you
at the dentist
when
too,
you go
Pixie.
have your teeth cleaned, don't they put a little bib on you? That's what this is.
All right,
It's
put
just
on
a
this
little
little
bib. And then it's like just a little sticky guy here. We stick
It's going to help hold
stick
this
it
bib on.
here, and it goes
There we
around. Now, Bugs has a bigger neck than you guys do, okay?
Miss Pixie, I just happen to have in my tooth fairy bag something else that the dentist uses, and let's find that and get it out. This is called a dental mirror, boys and girls. So there you go, Dr.
And see,
Pixie.
it's a tiny little
All
mirror.
right.
That
Taking my teeth with it.
Oh, okay.
She's
Well,
in
all right,
trouble.
open wide, Bugs, for
Open
Dr.
wide.
Pixie.
And you go in and you look and you say, oh, you're missing a little spot there, but do a little bit better. We're going to show you. And then we look in here and we go around and we look and we're counting teeth. Ooh, you know
How many teeth do boys and girls have, Dr. Pixie? 20. Well, thank you very much.
You guys
Do you
have
know that when
baby
you're
teeth.
about your age, most of us, if we have not lost a baby tooth yet, we should have 20 teeth in our mouth. Now, I know some of you have already lost a baby tooth, and you're going to be getting your grown-up teeth very, very soon. Well, Dr. Pixie, did Bugs have a good checkup
He
today?
did. There's
No
a couple
cavities?
spots he's missing,
But no cavities,
no
right?
cavities.
So, Bugs,
No
you're doing a really,
cavities.
really good job. Do you know another kind of a dentist, boys and girls, that some of you may go see very, very soon? And that's called an orthodontist, isn't it, Fidget? Bugs went to see an orthodontist, and he wore braces, and he has nice, beautiful, straight teeth. Yes, he does. And that's exactly what Bugs looked like when he had his braces on. That is a little model of Bugs' mouth before when he had his braces on. And braces are used to help make our teeth fit together better, to make them straight so that they're easier to clean. Do you know that if your teeth are crooked, some boys and girls might not be able to chew properly, and then it's hard to eat? And some of us need to get our teeth checked to find out if we have growing problems like dental crowding or our jaws not growing evenly. So it's a good thing to take good care of your teeth and see an orthodontist by age 7 to be evaluated to see if you too might need braces. And you know what I think we should do? I think we should show the boys and girls how to brush, because do you know that there's a right way to brush your teeth, boys and girls? There is. Miss Pixie, you know what I think we should do? Is you brush and I'll tell the boys and girls what you're doing. So go ahead. You ready,
So
Buzz?
this is a
He's
soft
ready.
bristle toothbrush, and all you need is a little bit of toothpaste on these
Just a little
toothbrushes.
bit.
You don't need a whole lot.
Oh.
But when you brush, you need to brush. Look, and
Oh,
you need to brush his tongue. But you need to brush in gentle, circular motions all the way around. That's your smile side. Show me your smile side. Let me see. Oh, yay!
There we go.
And then on the top, you're going to use in gentle, circular motions all the way around.
Be sure to brush your gums.
That's right. And then don't forget inside, that's your tongue side, inside here, and on the top, using gentle circular motions all the way around. Then don't forget your chewing side, here on the top. That's where you chew up all your food in the back. And then don't forget your tongue.
brush
Who
your
brushes their tongue?
Very good. And look how nice and clean Bug's teeth are.
And then
Aren't they
his breath
pretty?
is fresh, like you guys.
Oh, it smells nice and fresh. That's really, really nice. Do you know another thing we need to talk about? Remember how I said earlier, and someone else in the audience also said, that we have 20 baby teeth? Well, this is a big picture of teeth, and this is called a dental x-ray. And in this x-ray, it tells a story about where this person is in their dental development. This person is in what we would call mixed dentition, meaning they have some baby teeth and some adult teeth. And you can see in the front that this person has already lost all 4 of their front baby teeth, bottom and top. And they have their grown-up teeth in. But if you look all around, you see different things. Like, look here. We have a tooth growing down here under the gums, and we have a baby tooth on top. But there are some little spots on those teeth. Guess what they might be? I'll bet. Well, they were a cavity, but this person had a little cavity in a baby tooth. And they went to the dentist just like they should, and they had those baby teeth filled. And that's very important, because even though they're baby teeth and you're going to grow up and get big boy or big girl teeth or grown-up teeth, baby teeth are very important because they do something, boys and girls. They hold the parking spot for a permanent tooth that is growing and not ready to come in. So I am very proud of this person for getting all these little cavities fixed with a dental filling so that they can keep these baby teeth until the permanent teeth are ready and they grow and they push their way up and they dissolve the root, make that root on that baby tooth go away, and there your grown-up tooth is, the one that you're going to have for the rest of your life. So that's why we talked about so many things today. It's important to take good care of your teeth, isn't it, boys and girls? Do you know that when you're all grown up, if you get every tooth in your mouth, that you will have 32 teeth? Now, not all of us get our wisdom teeth. Those are ones that are going to grow way back here. But guess what else we get? Sometimes we get an extra tooth. Do you want to learn a really big word today, boys and girls?
Yeah.
All right. If we get an extra tooth above the 32 teeth that most of us get, it's called a supernumerary. Can you say that? Supernumerary. Wow, that's a tongue twister, isn't it? Can you say it, Violet?
Supernumerary.
Good job. Sometimes it's hard to say big words, isn't it? All right. You know what, boys and girls? A lot of times when we're out, and Pixie and I, we go out a lot, and so do Violet and Fishin. People ask us questions like, where do you live? Well, we all live at Dr. Sheehy and Callahan's office. That's where we stay. And you know what? At night, we fly around and collect all the baby teeth that you don't need anymore. You know how when your little tooth falls out and you put it under your pillow? Well, it may be one of us to come collect that because you don't need it anymore. But do you ever see the tooth fairy? No, you don't. You know why? Because during the day, we're big just like other people. But during the night, as it starts to get dark and all the boys and girls are going to sleep, it's like magic, isn't it, Pixie?
Yeah.
We just start shrinking down really, really, really tiny. We can't do it during the day because it's not dark out. But do you want to see about how tiny I get at night? I can show you. During the day, when I'm out, this is my wand I use. But at night, I shrink down really, really tiny. Miss Pixie, will you hold my wand for me? Let me look and see if I can find that thing in here. Oh, I got so many things in my tooth ribbon. I have my sunglasses in case it's sunny, and I have my cell phone in case Dr. Sheehy wants to call me and tell me about a tooth that just fell out. And what else do I have in here? Oh, I have some toothpaste. Pixie, I have toothpaste. Where? Oh, oh, where is that? There it is.
It's so tiny.
At night, boys and girls, I shrink down so tiny that that's my wand. Can you believe it? So no wonder you won't see me if I'm only about that big, would you? Nope. So do me a favor. When you take out that little wiggly tooth when you don't need it anymore, put it underneath your pillow. But don't hide it
too far.
Don't hide it too far. We have trouble sometimes finding those teeth. And you know what? You might even have somebody at home help you hide it, because one night we got squished, didn't we? We were trying to get that tooth and one of you guys rolled over and almost crushed Fidget. You're okay, Fidget. Boys and girls, Esmeralda and Pixie have a book about a great adventure that we had one night, and it's really, really cool. Inside, all of us have signed a copy for you, so everyone's going to get a copy of our book. I hope you read it, and it's a really fun story.
What she did to me one night.
You got to find out what I did to Pixie. But Pixie, you're so nice and tiny. Pixie helped save the day in our book. And you know what? We've got so many adventures going on that soon there'll be an adventure about Violet and Fidget.
Oh, yes.
All right. Well, boys and girls, and we also have some little goodie bags that we're going to leave for you that they'll get at the end of the day. So thank you so much for helping us today. And if you have any questions about teeth, you know where to find us at Dr. Sheehy and Callahan's office, and you can email us questions there. Bye-bye, boys and girls.